Hi guys, so I'm outside of my house right now, just getting ready to cut these boards up. I pre-cut a few of them. So what you're going to need is a 13.5 inch, an 8.25 inch, 3 9-inches, and 1 4-inch. Now I got the plans from the Maryland Department of Natural Resources, so I figured that was a pretty reliable source as to what to have the dimensions at. Now, some tools that you're going to need are a pencil, of course, speed square, a miter saw, safety glasses, earplugs, the hole saw that we talked about, 1.5 inch, and a drill, as well as a measuring device, tape measure to be more specific. Now you can use the speed square for a few of the measurements, but the larger measurements you're going to need to have this. And then once you cut your first set of pieces, you'll be able to use them as a template and speed things up quite a bit, so that way you can mass produce. Because I've got I believe we're making 10, and so that also leaves a nice waste piece. So with the excess, we could even make a couple extra and see if anybody wants to have some as an Easter gift or something along those lines. So we're all about sustainability, and that's using the scrap pieces to make extra birdhouses will not only help the environment, but it'll help our wallet as well. As you can see, I only used 9 boards and got 12 birdhouses out of it. I saved the 1 board so that way I can demonstrate to the youngsters how to make the cuts needed. Next, we'll be taking our drills and we'll be marking out for the hole saw, and then we're also going to pre-drill the nail holes so that way when the kids go to tap the common nails in, none of the boards split. Now that's something that you can choose to do, or you can risk it and use a little bit of wood glue if you split it. I prefer to pre-drill all my holes when dealing with thin lumber such as this.